Dry air ruining your sleep, skin, or baby's comfort? This might be the smartest humidifier your home needs. Dry air can cause coughing, dry skin, restless sleep, and even harm your plants. And noisy humidifiers, even worse at night. Meet the LEVOIT 6-liter Smart Humidifier, designed for bedrooms, large rooms, babies, and plants. With powerful 300 milliliters per hour mist output, it covers rooms up to 505 square feet and runs for up to 60 hours on one single refill. Its auto humidity sensor adjusts mist levels automatically, so your room stays perfectly balanced, never too dry, never too damp. Control everything from your phone using the V-Sync app, or simply ask Alexa or Google Assistant, hands-free and effortless. Ultra-quiet operation at under 30 decibels, making it perfect for peaceful sleep, nurseries, or focused work. Healthy air, smarter living, and better sleep, all in one device. Check the link in description and upgrade your home air